You know that old saying, there's no such thing as a free lunch? Well, in crypto, that saying doesn't always hold up, because sometimes the best lunch is not only free, it might actually taste better than the overpriced buffet next door. In 2025, something wild is happening. Free AI trading bots. Yes, the ones you don't pay a dime for are not only competing with the premium bots, they're in many cases outperforming them. And that flips the entire logic of trading tools on its head. Because if the free bots are this good, the real question becomes, what exactly are you paying for when you buy a subscription bot? Today, we're going to break down why free bots are quietly dominating the scene, how they actually work, and why this might just be the future of crypto trading. Let's start with a little honesty. Most traders assume if it's free, it's basic, or if it's paid, it must be professional. It's the same way people think about bottled water. Pay $4 for some fancy mountain spring glacier melt in a glass bottle, and you swear it tastes better than tap water, even though blind tests say otherwise. The same thing happened in crypto trading bots. Paid bots marketed themselves as premium, promising Wall Street-level AI algorithms. But in reality, many were just automating simple strategies that free bots were already doing. Meanwhile, the free bots quietly evolved. They integrated AI updates, market data feeds, and performance tuning. And here in 2025, they've reached a level that even some of the big-name premium bots can't consistently beat. If we're talking free bots, Pionex deserves the spotlight first. Pionex is an exchange that decided to bake trading bots directly into their platform. Instead of making you sign up for a $99 per month third-party bot, they just gave them away for free. Why? Because they make their money on trading fees, not subscriptions. It's like a casino giving you free chips to play with. They know if you stay, you'll eventually generate revenue for them. But here's the surprise. Their bots aren't just entry-level. We're talking advanced tools like grid trading bots, dollar-cost averaging bots, and even arbitrage bots. And since they're integrated directly into the Pionex exchange, they have less lag, lower fees, and smoother execution. In other words, they don't just compete with premium bots, they outperform them on their own turf. And yes, traders using these free bots have pulled in steady profits during volatile times when paid bots were still adjusting settings. Now let's talk about Shrimpy. This one isn't the kind of bot that tries to flip Dogecoin 200 times a day. Instead, it's built for long-term portfolio management. Shrimpy uses AI-driven rebalancing. That means if your portfolio starts drifting, say, your Ethereum doubles in value while your Bitcoin lags, Shrimpy quietly rebalances you back to your target allocations. Why does that matter? Because studies show that rebalancing improves returns while lowering risk over the long haul. It's like going to the gym and sticking to a consistent workout routine instead of chasing every new TikTok exercise trend. And the best part? Shrimpy lets beginners try this out for free. It's basically a robo-advisor for crypto, but without charging you hedge fund fees. And then there's Krill.io. Think of Krill like a Lego set for trading bots. You don't even know how to code, you just drag and drop blocks like buy when RSI is low, sell when MCD crosses, or take profits at 10%. You can literally design your own trading strategy like building a toy car. But here's where it gets interesting. KRYL also has a marketplace of strategies created by other traders. Some are paid, sure, but a lot of them are completely free. So instead of paying for a premium bot that promises you the moon, you can copy strategies from people who actually prove their performance in real time. It's like skipping the shady salesman and going straight to the community. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Why are free bots outperforming paid ones? The answer lies in the business model. Paid bots survive by selling you subscriptions, whether you win or lose. Free bots, like Pionex, Shrimpy, and KRYL, survive by aligning their success with yours. Pionex makes money off trading fees, so they want you to keep trading successfully. Shrimpy builds loyalty by giving you free rebalancing, then upsells advanced features later. Krill gets a cut when strategy creators succeed. In other words, these free bots aren't doing charity work. They just figured out a way to build sustainable businesses without charging you upfront. which makes them more attractive for beginners and pros alike. And honestly, that's the kind of win-win relationship most traders wish they had with exchanges in the first place. The rise of free bots is part of a much bigger story. AI is democratizing trading. 10 years ago, only hedge funds had access to machine learning models and algorithmic execution. Today, anyone with a smartphone can access bots that analyze markets 24/7, detect trends, manage risk, and execute trades instantly. It's no longer about who can afford the fanciest subscription. It's about who understands how to use these tools effectively. Because at the end of the day, even the best bot is just a tool. A hammer won't build your house for you, unless you actually know how to swing it. So are free AI bots beating the paid ones in 2025? Yes. And the craziest part is this might just be the beginning. As AI keeps advancing, free platforms will get smarter, strategies will get more refined, and the old paywall-based model may become completely outdated. Because when the best tools are free, the playing field is no longer about who can pay, but who can learn. Now let me ask you, would you trust your portfolio to a free AI bot? Or do you still believe premium means safer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear what you've experienced. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join me tomorrow when we take a deeper dive into Pionex itself. One of the biggest names leading this free bot revolution. Because in the world of crypto trading, the edge doesn't always come with a price tag. Sometimes it comes free.